Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. I'm back for part 2 of this. Obviously, something happened in the system. I guess I don't know. Hey, look at that. Let's just say something bad happened. Oh, free gems, packs. Make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs right up there. And yeah, I love you guys all. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I haven't had one subscriber yet, but I will, hopefully, I hope. I'm not sure. Once people search up AI, they might just see me, I don't know. But, let's just say, let's go. Oh, 22, oh, this might be hard, but I think I can pull it off. Let's go back. Don't want to feed my dragons, actually. Not you. But do want to feed you. Nice, buddy. You can piss off a kid, honestly. Why didn't we do that? Go. Like this. If you guys don't want to cry, make sure to subscribe to him. He's just a really good YouTuber. In person, but I hope I will one day because he's my most favorite YouTuber of all time. He's a very favorite YouTuber, very funny. I think you guys will enjoy him. Make sure to check out Swimming Pilot. He's also a great YouTuber. Okay. Fight because I forgot to change my flipping dragon. You. Let's go. Fight! Fight! Nope.
Second place ever.
Okay. I'm gonna make a video. It's not hard actually. Can I do win out my voice right now? Oh, I keep on clicking stuff. Oh, you're almost dead. Bees. Put me 6 health. Oh, you almost dead again. I need to go to that again. Nope. What do I have for this? Do I have another bomb or something? Use. No. Let's buy. Or use one of them. I keep on clicking wrong things, guys. I'm switching to different games. But I'm using one of these on you because you're about to die. Yes. Oh, fudge. Oh, with the shield on, come on. Get everywhere on my hideous. I don't like these guys, so I'm just gonna go up and hurt them really bad. 88, okay. Shoot. I don't like my people getting hurt, okay? Let's bring back you. So I didn't. Ooh. In that case, I'm gonna use you. Hit on you. Another one likes the dust. Huh, missed. You douche. Yep. Here. I'll give you a little bit of a hit. It won't do full damage, but see you ain't funny. So it doesn't do much. Boop. Yes, we won. Yes, guys, we won. I'm a little bit. No, 2 stars. Not too bad, actually. Do I get a spin for that? Yeah. Nice spin on the cube. Spin. Ooh, that works.